Hi guys, if you're a student in Nigeria, this video is for you. If you know any student, maybe not your brother, your sister, your siblings, your son, your daughter, I beg, show this video to them because we are going to learn 10 businesses that we can do from the comfort of our home, our hostel, as a student that is residing in Nigeria. And of course, I need to add, say, these businesses now legit businesses, right? Very legit businesses. So if you are ready, let's dive in. So because now 10, I know if we put all the 10 for this particular video. That is why I want to divide them into two parts. So we're going to have part 1 and we'll have part 2. Now for the first part, we will learn 5 of these businesses, and for the second part, we will learn another 5 of these businesses. Are you ready? Let's get started. So my number 1 is crypto trading. Many Nigerians are already cashing out from buying and selling of digital assets or digital currency like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like you name them, you know them, right? They are already cashing out from it. So if you want to dive into crypto trading, you need to learn from those who are already expert or experienced in it, right? And then for my own advice, I will give you the say: the moment you don't start to learn crypto and you want to trade, no take them like gamble. So I will ask you to just use your spare money where you're supposed to take go hang out with your friends, where you take go swim or buy drink for school. Carry that money, take fund your wallet, and then test them, and then use and trade and see how it will be. Now, if you did discipline, I believe that you are going to start cashing out ASAP. So my number 2 is freelancing. With freelancing, make sure say you get skill where people they ask for, and this skill now digital skill. Yeah, digital skill. For instance, you can be a content creator, video editing, graphic design, copywriter, social media manager, online advertiser, and so many things that you can do by freelancing your skill. And students, they do this thing well inside school, and also you know somebody that is doing it. You can learn it from this student, and you have a lot of online people when they advertise for you to come and learn. So learn this and start freelancing this skill. Students, they earn over $50 a week. Yes, over $50 a week. Convert them to naira, and you will know how much where that one will be. So make sure say you learn skill and then start freelancing these skills. My number 3 is graphics design. Yes, graphic design. Even if you get laptop or smartphone, you can render the service of graphic design. Most businesses, or every businesses, need logo, they need flyer, they need banner, they need poster, they need things where they go design and post on social media like adverts. So if you know how to use Canva, right? You know how to use Canva. There are other graphics tools that you can download in your smartphone. Or better still, if you get laptop, you did at advantage. Now you can install CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Lightroom, and install other designing softwares that you can use to render this service. But you need to go learn graphic design for you to do this. If you already sabi how to design, start building portfolio. People, they wait to hire you as a freelancer for you to design for them, and customers plenty well for this service. So my number 4 is content creation. A lot of students are into content creating these days, and if you are not doing content creation, I think you are missing out. Now you can have your platform, or you can be on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and start creating content. Look for a niche. Look for something that you know you are very good at, and anytime they wake you, you will say 1 or 2 things for that thing. So you can educate, you can entertain, and you can inform your audience. But if you don't build your audience to a certain level, brands can even make you their ambassador. The platform YouTube can even pay you when you reach or when you meet their eligibility. The same thing with TikTok and Instagram. So content creation is another online business that will pay you every day. Now, before I go into number 5, let me let you know, say, the businesses I don't mention now, only one I know they do for them, only one. The others, I they do all of them, and a lot of people know me already because I did very good at them. So you can go check out other posts I have done on this particular page for you to know how good I am. Now let's dive to number 5. My number 5 is online ad agency. Online ad agency. So I also have a registered online advertisement agency, and I think for almost 6 years now that I have been doing online advertising. So you can learn Facebook advertisement, you can learn Instagram, you can learn Google advertising, and we have a lot of these courses for free on the internet. And even if you won't pay to learn ourselves, some of them don't even reach 5,000 naira. Yes, now some of them don't reach 5,000. So you can as well take online courses on Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, and Google advertising. Why? Because businesses want to reach customers online and they are looking for you. Yes, now they are looking for you to help them. So go and learn online advertising and then create or build your agency. Then position yourself for business to locate you, and then you will help them. So if you like these tips or this info that give, don't forget to hit the follow button. If you are YouTube, you watch subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.